Hi there, this is Penelope. This is the final short video, I think, in the series of videos Basic Algebra Skills. What we're going to look at in this video is where we've got more than two brackets that we need to multiply together. We'll start off though by just going back and having a review of what we've got. So first example, x minus 4 times x plus 5. I tend to use the FOIL acronym. So I'm going to multiply the firsts together, then the outsides, then the insides, and then the lasts. Then I'd need to tidy it up, and we're done. The next one looks a bit odd, but we just do it exactly the same way. 6 times 2x would be 12x. Then the outsides terms, which is 6 times 3 is 18. The inside is minus 2x squared, and then minus 3x. Now I can leave it like that if I wanted, or I could put the x squared term at the beginning. I've got 12x minus 3x, so plus 9x. Or I could write it completely the other way, 18 plus 9x minus 2x squared. Some special cases, if you remember, this is an example, or they both are, of a perfect square. And if you remember again, if you use FOIL, first outsides, insides, last, it's x times x, which is x squared, minus 3x minus 3x plus 9, which is x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now doing it properly means you're not tempted to write that x minus 3 squared equals x squared plus 9. That is wrong, okay? That is a big wrong, but if you write it out properly like that, then you won't get it wrong. Okay, the next one, 4x times 4x is 16x squared plus 5 times 4x, 20x plus 5 times 4x, which is 20x, plus 5 times 5, which is 25. So that's 16x squared plus 40x plus 25. So if you've just got x plus a times x plus a, then it's going to be x squared plus ax plus ax plus a squared, which is x squared plus 2ax. And it's this term that you're leaving out if you do it the wrong way. So the 2ax is the term that's commonly left out when you do it incorrectly. Some more special cases. This is a difference of two squares. So again, use FOIL, x squared plus xy minus xy minus y squared. Now these two cancel out and we're just left with x squared minus y squared. Slightly more complicated for this last one on the sheet. It would be p squared x squared plus qpx minus qpx minus q squared, and the middle two terms cancel out and we're left with p squared x squared minus q squared. Now we get to the examples that we're looking at where we have three brackets to multiply, and it's no more difficult than doing two at a time, except that we only can do two at a time, and it doesn't matter which two you do at a time, because remember x, y, z is the same as x, y, z, and all sorts of permutations. Let's do the second two to start off with. So it's x squared plus 4x minus 2x, so it's plus 2x minus 2 times 4, which is 8. And now we have to multiply everything in the bracket by x first of all, so it'll be x cubed plus 2x squared minus 8x, oops, that's a 2, and then plus 1 times everything in the bracket, x squared plus 2x minus 8. Tidy it up if we can, no x cubed other terms, 2x squared plus x squared would give us 3x squared minus 8x plus 2x would give us minus 6x, and then negative 8. So it's no harder. We could do 4 brackets. We just have to start off by doing them 2 at a time and then consistently multiplying by yet another bracket.